All right. Um, Welcome to the product demonstration of Follow, AI-powered e-commerce application. I mean, everything is AI-powered in this current stature, tenure, and time. Well, I'll tell you the pure working demonstration. The high-level overview of the product before I get into it. So currently we are using four major things that are impacting this one. We are using Setup API, that is the popular web scraping one, which I'm using to scrap up Google products, Amazon, etc. and etc. So on, the big retailers, and then get out top 20 to top 30 products from them, and then display it over here so that the customer has a better clubbing from different sites without having to go through the hassle of going through each and every site. It's all clubbed in one place, and I'll show you the best part as I go on demonstrating it. So for now, let's log in. Let's get started. All right. Okay, that is just sample one, so you could ignore that. Should be logged in. Yeah. All right. Now, you'll have a search bar, and that's your search bar right now. I know UI requires a lot of improvement, but for the MVP, I think this is fine for now. So, you know, here the thing that defines us most is, you could have natural language search. I mean, when you search in Google, when you search in Amazon, when you search in for that any e-commerce platform that you may take, you would have to search with keywords to be mentioned. You don't know when you don't know what you're gonna buy. What would you even search for? So you just have a vague request in mind, and then you just want to have a search. Then that's where you come here and let's say, hey, uh, my kid loves cars. I'm thinking of buying him one. Buying him one. He's aged from 10 to 11. It's his birthday. So, uh, give me some good toys I could buy him. Okay. Now, no site allows you to type this way. I mean, it's way too much in the natural language process we could think about. But yeah, let's search for it. And then right now, what it's going to happen is you go back to Gemini, and Gemini is going to break this thing into tokens. I mean, the best searchable recommendation that it's going to give. So it's going to summarize it to two, three words, and then search with those keywords on multiple sites using SetPapi's API. Now, right now, as you can see, and we have all the car related, toy related applications from various sites and stuff. I'll get to the various sites and stuff. Right now, we still not have ordered based on ratings or usability thing because metrics are not our primary concern as of now in the MVP. We're just making sure that the application is in pretty good. So right now, let's say okay, I like Disney Pixar, so let's try this one. And then for each product you'll have multiple sites that we are getting things from, right? Multiple sites, the price that you are observing right now is just the cumulative average of each and every site that it has scraped up right now. And then reviews are also summation of all the sites that it has seen up. We are just going to display it in single instance. All right, it's going to share in a new tab, so that's why we had to, switch tabs right now. That's all. Now, as you can see, it's available on eBay. It's available on topfist.com, and I'll just show it to you that we are scrapping real time, so that you don't have to, yeah. And there you go. When I press that link, we're over here, and we can always buy it. All right. Now, let's switch back. Uh, Yes. So now this is the product. It has around 48 reviews, 4.7 stars, an average pricing of $19.99, and then two sites that are offering it. Now related products, etc., are coming, and then we have customer reviews over here, and so on. Now, but still, that wouldn't mean much because, I still have to go to sites and read reviews and etc. and then verify which site to buy on. It's still too much pain for me to, shop in the general sense. That's where this bar comes in, where is a separate instance of Gemini where it has been fed on different sites, reviews that it has searched on. So for each and every product, it's gonna have its own unique instance of the AI. So it's gonna be like it's going to be specifically trained on Disney's Pixar car, Diecast car. Yeah, Raymond Diecast car, products, reviews, and ratings and money. Hey, now let's hit up. Hey, this product looks good. Product looks good. What is the lowest price I can get it for? Okay, so that took some time, and then just had to refresh the page once because I had an internet issue coming up. But I think that wasn't much of a time. So, as you can see, it has fetched a few more sites, which is Bonza, Little Vintage Nest, and Postmark, except from Toywiz and eBay. So, as you can see, the response from the AI is out. Okay, so you're looking at Disney Pixar cars, the World Cars series. Right now, it's eBay for 15.9, but keep in mind shipping tax, etc. Also has it, but I didn't see the exact price. Just a heads up, prices can change. So it's gonna in specific give you exact detail of all the things that you know should know about the product. Do you think my son would like this car? We'll just give it an open-end one. I don't think it should reply, but yes. Oh, yeah, it did reply. Well, whether your son would like Disney Pixar cars, we would kindly depends on a few things because he's a big cars fan. And as you can see, it's gonna convince you based on the product reviews and so on. So, yeah, it makes things a lot easier when you're trying to shop in a general sense. And then right now, I think that's pretty good. Pretty good for an AI Gemini API key with a free tire instance, and then I know there's a lot of time lag between things that we are doing, but still, uh, that's how it's supposed to have to be. But yeah, at the end of the day, it works. And then this separate instances of JI combined with scraping from SERP API, and then Redis for in fast time caching, and then MongoDB for storing your users. And the most of the product is running in headless environment, so we wouldn't have to worry about storing this caching these particular results in. So every time we're just opening in a new tab, as you can see, we're switching tabs so that we wouldn't have much of an issue when we are trying to build a particular product. And right now, this particular project requires more, handling on UI and stuff. As you can see, it's just basic UI that I've brought out from ChatGPT, and then I could improve a lot over here. I mean, get out more customer reviews, have more sites, display the site related details over here too, and etc. and so on. For now, this is the MVP of Follow, a smart retailer for using AI. AI, not AI, using LLM, using GPTs. Well, that should be the demonstration of this particular product. I'll get back with some updates and a better UI. Have a great day.